Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making a video on the little known special fruit called peanut butter. For real. The peanut butter fruit tree. So its name is right there in Latin, Buncasia, and we're just going to take a look at it today, close up, because it's coming to the point where those small fruit that started developing at the beginning of summer are actually on their way to coming. So this is the first time they have flowered for me. I just got this like a year ago, this time last year. So I've only had it for just over a year. And it's one of the exotics that I have here at Fruitopia. I don't know anything about this. I've never tasted it. So we're both gonna be looking at this and tasting it for the first time. Peanut butter fruit. So it's got new growth at the top. I don't know if it's going yellow because of the cold, or just that's how they look at the top when they're new growth. To me, it looks like cold. I could be wrong. Remember guys, it's autumn here in Melbourne, and the warm weather is behind us. We'll still have a few warm days, but the bulk of the heat is gone. But up in the subtropics of Australia and the tropics, it's still hot. They don't feel the cold up there until May, so another month from now, and it'll start cooling down up there too. So here it starts cooling down at the end of March. So last week we had the last hot days. So everything now is heading towards cold. But we still have, like I said, a few warm days over the next 3 weeks before we're stuck with the cold until spring. So this is the peanut butter fruit tree, and we'll come back to it once these guys here get bigger. I'm not sure if these are flower buds. It's so small. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if that's a flower bud or a fruit. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Strange looking, huh? Okay, so we'll catch you from the next video on the peanut butter and see the progress. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon again.